And the first time you do one of these, it always takes you a little bit longer, and especially if you don't have a video to watch to see how they did it. And each mower is a little bit different. I think it was just hitting and not. Okay, that's on. I can remember to put the connection on, and this should only fit on there one way, because I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a flat side and a rounded side, so it's only going to go on one way, so you can't hook it up wrong. And that's in. Now we're going to take the one large hose and put on the bottom, and the other hose doesn't want to stay up there real well, so I'm going to put it on top of that one. So we have everything all hooked back up. The choke and the throttle. So all that's done.